ఆటోమోటివ్, అనుబంధ పరిశ్రమలలో డీలర్షిప్లు, ఓఈఎంలకు క్లౌడ్ ఆధారిత సాఫ్ట్వేర్ను అందించే ప్రముఖ సంస్థ సిడీకే గ్లోబల్ ఇంక్ హైదరాబాద్లోని లియోనియా రిసార్ట్లో శనివారం 9వ ఫ్యామిలీ డే కన్వర్జెన్స్ 2024 నిర్వహించింది. సెలబ్రేటింగ్ ది కల్చర్ ఆఫ్ టుగెదర్నెస్ శీర్షికన జరిగిన ఈ కార్యక్రమం సిడీకే కుటుంబం యొక్క తోడ్పాటుకు గుర్తింపు అందించటంతో పాటుగా వినోదం, సహవాసంకు వాగ్దానం చేసింది. ఈ వినోద కార్యక్రమంలో హాజరైన ప్రతి ఒక్కరికీ చిరస్మరణీయమైన క్షణాలను సృష్టించే అద్భుతమైన ప్రదర్శనలు కూడా జరిగాయి.
All right. No, so thank you for coming. You are at the Convergence, which is an annual event, a family day event that we celebrate every year. The idea is to actually make sure that we make time to say thank you to our colleagues and their families for putting in all the support and hard work that they bring in to actually help us achieve the results that we achieve. It happens, soon after our end of year, which is great because then we know very clearly as to where we stand with regard to our results. And 2023 has been a great year for us. We've actually scored well on every aspect that we had set out to, whether it was revenue, profitability, etc. You would have probably heard my speech from earlier. And I think, it's been a very transformative year as well for us. We've done a lot of transformation, including a product transformation and application transformation, which is our product modernization journey. We've taken that to the biggest annual event that we go to on the weekend of the 3rd and the 4th. We had the North America Dealer Association event where we took our software, our modernized software, and really it's created a lot of excitement, a lot of buzz in the market and with our customers. So we are really, really happy. I think we are succeeding, and moving forward where we wanted to. 2024, we are set out to, some great growth targets for ourselves, and we're going to try and see how far we get with that. But, really, our confidence is very high that achieving those targets will not be able to. Joy?
Well, as you heard the MD speak, this is one of those events that our employees look forward to once in a year. Well, a lot of companies do organize annual events, but the way we do is, significantly different for one or two reasons. One, of course, is purely because the entire event is conceived, planned and executed by our own employees. That gives them an opportunity to do things beyond they do at work, which they really like. We call in the office this as, passion at work or meeting your passion. The other thing is, this is probably the organization's way of expressing thanks and acknowledging all the great contributions that they make to the organization, and, in presence of their families, so they look forward to. The other thing is, CDK has been growing from strength to strength. Our employee experience has been building up. We have been certified as great places to work for the 5th time consecutively. Everything going well. So we thought, why not we celebrate this year theme as celebrating success, celebrating togetherness, celebrating life, celebrating work, celebrating all good things in life.
The first time to celebrate this?
Absolutely no. We do it once every year, and it has been going on for the last 6 to 7 years now. So,
Yeah. Including the pandemic. Yeah. Even in the pandemic, we had a virtual convergence, but we didn't drop convergence at all. The event is called Convergence because it's all about bringing everybody together. Families, employees, and friends to make sure that we celebrate together. Teamwork. Exactly right.